The big build, part 13 of Tropico 6. Wait for it to load. Last episode we built a sort of high street, loads of shops in one place. How's that doing? There it is. Ah, loads of oil as well. Loads of aluminium mines. Just to collect up the resources. Oil as well. Rather happy with that. Okay. What was our unemployment like? Pretty good. Few open jobs. Power seems to be good. Oh, we don't have the clean powers. Would like to get rid of the power plant at some point. Anyway, today I think we shall work on tourism. Oh, I've got a few buildings here. Oh, trade done. But we have got no tourists. None. Don't have arrived whatsoever. One tourist building. Ship? What's that ship gonna bring in? No one whatsoever. So, we need to encourage people to move to Tropico. By doing that, we need to build things. Hotels is a good one. Need hotels. Unlock hotels. Build a hotel. There. Quick build. Port office. Have a souvenir shop as well. Okay, I think we might need to get a road up there as well. There are a lot of resources up here. The mines. I can't remember where they are. Where are they? Yes, quite a few. Right where I put the garden. Okay, that's a good place to put that. Let's move it. There we go. Can I build a mine? Collect up some gold. Or shall I just leave it? I think I'll just leave it. We'll build around all this. Keep to the coast along here. Yeah, we'll be alright. Avoid it. I think we'll have to do that for a minute. Okay, we've got somewhere for tourists to stay now. Let's see what that ship brings in. 10 tourists. 10! We have our first 10 on this quest. Ah, we need to get to 500, then we get into the modern times, which is very good.
What a great day, Presidente. A
Complete
great
the
day
loot
for
raid.
making...
That's a loot raid for resources. So we'll do the milk, rubber and uranium one. We'll also do a treasure hunt. Anyway, got people staying at Tropico. So let's build more tourism. Even more tourism. More tourism's better. Ancient ruin. One up here somewhere. There it is. Build that. We need a house. We need workers to stay up here somewhere. So we build our property. Tenement. Encourage people to live up here. They don't have so far to go to work. We'll also build a road. I think from there is good. Build it straight up. Oh, I hit the wrong button then. Right, we're back again. Build a road. Straight over to here. That'll do. There, we can build whatever we want. Build a snorkel bay. Another one, I suppose. What else can we build? Golf course? Build a golf course. Oop. Okay, right then. Museums, radio stations. Any military. Generates interest on your treasury from the bank. Our treasury is very healthy. Even more money. But there. Go and build loads of make it look nice. There we go. I'll let that build on its own. Haven't done that for a while. Okay, so got those two: tourist port, beach villa, hotel. Do I need another hotel? Not yet. Got a motel. Build it down by the main town. Tourist stand to the main town. Presumably that would help. Tourism? Not tourism. Get people visiting more. There we go. Oop. Still into an eastern... Oh, it's an import trade route with the Eastern Bloc. Wondered why it was taking a while. I was doing it wrong. Import fish, we'll do that. An export oil, 31,000. Loads of oil, and I'm not using any of it. Very little. See what else we got here. Shellfish, no. Oh, aluminium. Yes. Loads of aluminium as well. There we go. Some big trade deals here. 93,500 aluminium. 31,000 for oil. Loads. Anyway, mini bars. Okay, got 20 tourist visits at the minute. That boat went straight through that. 10 more. Lovely. That's working. People playing golf? Nope. Might have built it in the wrong place. Might build another tourist port down here somewhere. More tourists. And if we build metro stations, that will then also encourage people to travel around the place. Okay, build one in here somewhere. Oh, problem with power.
Excellent, excellent.
Have a look at the power in a minute. I'll finish doing this first. Then we'll do the power. Need power up here. There we go. Well then. Okay, so the hotel is almost full. So we might need to build another one of those. Where are we? There we are. Hotel? Build a cabin? I don't think anyone stays here. Oh, it's for the rich. For the rich. Anyway, got a steady stream of tourists visiting now. Garbage dumps full. Ooh.
Scrambled this channel immediately.
What am I looking for? Cocktail bar, that's what I'm looking for. Everywhere is filling up. Oh, the property's full-ish. Nearly. Oh, that one's not. There's that one. No, that one is. That one is. Okay. Shacks over here. Guess I should build. Building fixings and everything. How's the hospital doing? Filling up. Clinic's full. Should I build another one on this end? Build another one. Where is it? There it is. The upgrades for it as per usual. We're done. Right. I think I need another hospital down here somewhere. Oh, empty that.
I've got a problem, Presidente. Yeah,
Complete the sabotage Eastern Bloc raid. Do that. Sabotage the Eastern Bloc. Rescue many because we need more people. Sabotage the Eastern Bloc. The other commando garrison. Ah, that reminds me. We have unlocked Spy Academy.
The palace denies the construction of a top-secret spy
This is
base.
the same as
In
the
other
Pirate
news,
Cove and
El
the Commando
Presidente's
garrison.
new personal art gallery
Opens up a
has
whole load
exceptionally
more
high
options.
security.
Now, one which is very good, I know, is the Colosseum. Helps with the happiness of food and fun. That is the first thing that we're going to do with the Spy Academy, is unlock that. Takes a while, and we've got to do a few quests as well to unlock it fully. Don't know what they'll be. Find out in a minute. My approval rating is going up. $99 tourists visiting now. Everything is going well. Apart from everything taking ages to build. Another garbage dump. Right, I think we need to put a parking garage up here somewhere. Let's put it next to the where is it? There it is. Next to the tenement. There's mine. Let's put it over there. Okay, we definitely need more hotels now, I think. Build some more cabins. Okay, all as well. Tourism. Right, where are we according to the mines? Ah, all the resources over here, so we've got loads of room. Very tempted to build a mine to mine
President
some
Day
of this.
announces a new Snitch for Cash program. Report something suspicious today, and you could win fabulous cash prizes.
We are going to mine some gold. And iron. Dig it out of the ground. Get it out of the way. There we go. Better build a house for people to live in as well. Some up. Oop. What do we do? Canned goods.
You bought
Good.
us some time, Presidente.
The citizens are demanding
I'm
elections.
trying to upgrade here. Increases efficiency by 10%, increases wage by 1. We'll do that. Efficiency by 25%. We'll do that. Those two as well. Ideal.
The mind control lasers are finally in orbit. Reporting in.
Well, that was one of the quests we needed to do for the pasting the Colosseum of Rome. But because we had enough money, 3.82 million to be exact, I just paid to skip it, basically.
You're looking magnificent today, Presidente.
In a minute. Complete the espionage raid. That's in the Spy Academy, but we're doing the Colosseum of Rome at the moment, so what else do we need up around here? Gourmet restaurant, Snorkel Bay, a nightclub. I'll build another golf course, should I?
Agents in Rome have executed Operation Throw Lion. Reporting in.
What's the bet? I've just built that on the gold deposit. Yeah, I have as well. Better move that then, haven't we? Move over the other side of the road. There we go.
Greetings, Presidente, and all listening
Build a
spies.
hotel near
I
the
assure
Eastern
you
Bloc
all
Embassy.
that no
Okay, we can do that. Where did I put the Eastern Bloc Embassy? Is it this one down here? Where are we? That one. Yes. Room's done. Good. Need a hotel. Which is there. Build it there.
The package has been
Done. 13 unemployed. Fine. No problem whatsoever. Ah, we've got some upgrades for our logging camp, which I hadn't planned. Okay. All good. Going well. like our tourism's going really well. 202 active tourists. Can't really ask for any better than that. Okay, is there anything else we can do to encourage people to visit? Yes.
I'm sure the good citizens of Tropico.
What to do now? Build one of these as well, shall we?
An official statement from the palace says there is nothing to be alarmed about. The sense of growing dread is perfectly normal.
Presidente, the
Stay vigilant, Presidente.
Build a church near the
Subversives
Western
are everywhere.
Powers Embassy. Okay, where's the Western Powers Embassy? I think it's over here, and there's enough room for a church. That's good. Church. There. Hospital.
You bought us some time.
Hey. Ideal.
election is a landslide,
Win the
Presidente.
election,
The
nice and
metaphorical kind, not the kind that accidentally reduces the size of the workforce.
Easy. Bank. Ah. Completed the heist. The Colosseum of Rome. Where do we put this thing? In the little cove piece here.
Say ciao to the new Colosseum of Tropico. Sophisticated animal shows for senators and more. It's definitely not stolen from Rome. Fact.
What else do we need? What else do we want? These. You can do one for each of these. We've done the Spy Academy. We've got the Colosseum of Rome for that one. Don't know which one to get out of these three. Broadcast each non-standard radio and TV program from the relevant stations all over Tropico in their city. Increases all tourist ratings. Increases the speed of boats, freighters and ships. All buildings receive less damage from enemy attacks. Turns water to rum, just like the real Middle Eastern man from 2,000 years ago. If visitors are allowed to consume local produce, it also improves the service quality to visitors by 15. But it's fun to visit citizens and tourists. And the Taj Mahal is every dead citizen bequeaths their fortune to the state of Tropico, increasing all tourist ratings. Improves fun to visiting tourists and visitors and tourists. Oh. Dunno. Stonehenge is all about reducing pollution. Great Wall of China, high value target for military units, but the Great Wall is too great to ever be destroyed. After enough future attacks, any enemy get bored of leaving Tropico. Okay. All children automatically gain high school education. Prevents citizens from dying or bad health care. Don't know which one to do out there, it's two now. Oh, so that one's all about tourism. The pyramids. The construction rate. Eternal flame. White House. Increase the efficiency of all plantations and hydroponic plantations. That sounds good. And I also like the idea of the castle. Anyway, we're nowhere near doing those. What we get from this ship? 19. Oh no, that's a freighter. Tourist ship, what? 15. Then we lost 32. No more immigrants are coming. Tropico is too crowded. Our population is 1,800. Okay. Is that a good thing or a bad? Good thing or a bad thing? Do I need more housing? Do I? Is housing a thing? A good thing? Everywhere full, is it? Literally every house full. Every house is full.
Look left. Look right. Statistics.
Greetings, Presidente.
Well, if I hit the limit of how high a
I
population you can
assure
have.
you all that no sensitive information will be transmitted during this conversation.
4 million in money. Let's build another fanfare pier. Anyway, I think I might hit a limit with Tropico being too crowded. 1,803. Or is it not letting any more come in because problem with the shacks? Or something, I don't know. Anyway, I think we shall leave it there. Next episode we should have this. Oh, tourist. No wait, tourist quest complete. You need 100 more. Oh, more. 91 more tourists to complete. That would progress us into the modern times where we can build some. Start building properly. We'll unlock the hydroponic plantations, so we'll be able to get rid of all of these, save us lots of space, also make it look a bit better as well. At the minute, everything is sort of everywhere. Bit of a mess. We'll also unlock more factories for more money. Well, we need more money, but anyway. On to the next one, and obviously we built the Colosseum. One Colosseum. Anyway, that's done for part 12? 13? I can't remember what it is now. No more immigrants are coming. Tropico is too crowded. That is just coming endlessly now, isn't it?
Not make this fatal mistake,
Anyway,
citizens.
let's save the game. Number is it? Ah, part 12, so it's part 13. The big build, part 1-3. Save. There we go. Part 14 next. See you then.